Morning, this is Eric from Agrible Incorporated, and in the video that I produced very late in the night on Sunday, and actually early Monday morning around 2 a.m., I just discovered this morning, thanks to the help from a few colleagues, that I made a mistake with one of my graphics, and it's the graphic you're looking at right here. The map apparently shows average minimum temperatures on September 6th, but if you remember my video, I was doing an analysis on the 23rd of September from 2012, and I had accidentally left that date in my code when I went to create this map. And so what this map actually shows is the average minimum temperatures on September 23rd. It seemed a little bit too cold for me, but at the time when I was looking at it pretty late in the evening after watching Harvey for the last about 60 hours, the data looked close enough that I thought, well, maybe I was just a little bit off in my memory of how cool it gets in the evening in early September. Well, I want to make a correction to this, and I want to apologize for that error, but I do want to talk about this frost threat. Here's the actual data for the average minimum temperature for September 6th, and I've contoured two lines here. That's the 60-degree line for the minimum temperature and the 52. So this basically shows us that we have basically, compared to the other map, another 10 to 12 degrees warmer earlier in the month versus later in the month. And that's very important to see, because as that deep trough comes in, the one we've been talking about, we know that there is the potential for some temperatures getting down to the 40s and maybe into the 30s, and some low-lying spots getting pretty chilly. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Early in the morning, we got the latest update from the ECMWF, and this is now the temperature anomaly map valid for early in the morning on September 6th, the time that we're kind of concerned about. And we can see that now we have temperatures that the model's projecting are somewhere between 16 and 18 degrees cooler than average here in parts of the central Corn Belt. And again, this is just flirting with those mid-30 temperatures as overnight lows, and it's just something we have to watch because the pattern has been such that we've had a pretty large ridge out west and a deeper trough over these. So again, I apologize for this mistake. I thank so much the people that contacted me to let me know about the overnight low issue. That was a good call on their part, and I'm glad we were able to get it fixed. And so with that, I'll wrap up this short video. Thank you so much for watching. Look forward to talking to you again on Thursday.